Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO A52, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. Now to get started, we will need to shut it off by holding the power key. And when you see the boot options right here, slide down to power it off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, you want to hold the power key and volume down. So both of those keys at the same time till you see the OPPO logo on the screen, at which point you can let go. From here, select the language by simply tapping on it, and as you can see, you are now in the recovery mode. So from here you can install updates either online or from storage, wipe data, reboot or power off the device. Now in wipe data we have two options. You can wipe data without wiping data, which is the retain contacts, messages and photos, or format data, which does what wipe data should have done. And like you see, whatever you want to select, you simply tap on it. So I'm going to leave this mode by tapping on reboot and OK, and now the device will boot back up into Android. And as you can see, now we're back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.